Oh shit. She found out how to change abilities! She found out how to change abilities!
Okay. You're like, surprise! What's going on?
It's fine. I'll show you how to fucking use a rocket launcher.
I'm sorry!
I'm getting off this fucking game. I'm getting off this fucking game.
I'm sorry!
I can't. I'm so fucking done. Bro, she really would be right there in my face as I say that with my fucking luck. I'm so mad.
I'll show you how to fucking
I'm like, I really shouldn't, but...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whatever, man. Whatever. It's Eli's turn. Whatever, man.
Oh my god.
Stupid. I want my money back. I can't fucking believe it. I can't fucking believe it.
You
Take the glass off.
You can't make that shit up. You really can't.
Even if we wanted to script the comedic
Show you a real rocket
we
launcher for
could fucking could. I think the fact that he just took off the rocket launcher just dropped us. Like his body carried all the momentum. The rocket launcher just hit the ground like a brick. Oh my god. Oh god, it's funny because I just stood there. I was like,
silence. Oh my god.
I can't fucking believe it, bro. My luck, man. My fucking luck. I'm sitting here, I rolled fucking, it's Eli's turn. Yeah, Nancy, change back to red team.
Yeah.
Bro, I was like, okay, I know there's gonna be a bunch of elites and shit up front. I thought, man, I really wasn't expecting her to fly into my fucking face.
Wow, that's too funny.
I knew the second I saw her too. I knew the second I saw her too. I knew it was gonna happen. I was like, I was thinking, man, this is it. This is the way it ends.
that was great. Like there, you couldn't have, like even if we wanted to, like we couldn't have possibly planned that to come out any better than it just.
I got that recorded, by the way.
Oh my god.
That shit's
fucking rocket launcher.
That shit's fucking ridiculous.
That was amazing.
Bro.
Watch him.